Hi and welcome to the Adam Hall Group Studios. I'd like to show you this very elegant and useful speaker stand from Gravity. The special thing about this is, of course, its base. Most regular speaker stands have a tripod type of base, which is perfect. It's very stable and it's very safe, but sometimes in some venues it can be a little bit ugly. And this is where these very sleek and elegant base plates come in handy. The stand is virtually invisible. The basic construction of the stand is very simple. We're using one of our distance poles, a longer version of one of our distance poles, and they have an M20 thread in the bottom, and that just screws right into this cast iron base. The base itself has a weight of 10 kilograms, which is around 22 pounds. And should that not be enough, you can also add another 5 kilograms, i.e. 11 pounds. So you have a total of 33 pounds or 15 kilograms, which is quite a lot of weight. Let me show you how that works. So if we look at the bottom of this cast iron plate, we'll see that there's a cavity here, and that's necessary in the manufacturing process. So we decided to make use of the cavity and just add a second weight plate, and that's this one here. To remove it, you just need to twist it so that these line up, and then you can just pull this plate out. So that's your additional 5 kilograms, 11 pounds weight plate. It's held by these solid rubber arms here, and without the use of any tools, you can just insert the plate here and give it a twist, and you're ready to go. You might also notice these little grooves here, in total 4 sets. They're very useful for when the stand is on the ground and you've removed the pole. They make it very easy to actually flip the plate over. If you wouldn't have these, it would be quite a pain trying to get your fingers underneath the plate. So that's a very useful little detail. Coming back to the distance pole itself, it's a heavy-duty steel construction with an M20 thread at the bottom. This height clamp here is special in that it's made out of steel. It's a steel clamp. Some other stands may use a plastic clamp, and plastic clamps can break fairly easily, either if you over-tighten the screw or if the stand gets a blow. Then they tend to break or snap pretty easily. This clamp here is a full steel clamp and is virtually indestructible. In addition, we have this safety pin here, which you can just insert to one of the holes of this stand, and then just let it down, rest on the bracket and tighten this knob here. When you don't need the safety pin, there's a practical little rubber holder here on the side where you can insert the pin so it doesn't dangle around and hit the bar. The knob itself is special because it's double injected. That means that it has a hard plastic, ABS or nylon inside, depending on which knob we're talking about. And the outside is coated with a so-called thermoplastic, which is a kind of rubber. And that means that you have a very comfortable and grippy surface here, which will allow you to tighten the knob all the way without it ever actually hurting your hands or being uncomfortable. The maximum height of the stand is 1.8 meters, which is roughly 71 inches. And last but not least, when you've detached these two, you have your pole and your plate. And to transport the plate, we have this optionally available bag to hold both the base plate and the additional weight plate. They go in here. It has a very sturdy gauge 10 zipper on the top, a nicely padded handle here, and a neat little detail on the back is you have a little slot here for your business cards or anything else you might want to put in here for additional information, whatever you might want to do there. You can see the straps go all the way around. They actually carry the weight. The weight's not actually sitting on the stitching, but it's held by these straps. And so this is a very reliable, comfortable and padded bag for your base plate. Also available in white, which I'm sure you've already seen. And yeah, that sort of sums it up. Thanks for watching, and check us out on gravitystance.com. Hope to see you again soon. Take care, bye-bye.